About to show you my new car that I just purchased this morning. It's a 94 Ford Escort. There's no subs in it yet. Give me about a week or so. Sticker. It might come off. I don't know. I might change that U to an A and put my down there somewhere. 4 all matching rims and tires. It's gray, but wow, what is this? The front end is red on her. The front end is actually from a Mercury. Needs a good little bath, but I work at a car wash, so it's really quiet actually. It's on right now. Excuse me. Let me show you the interior. Here's my For Now CD player.
Cash money on board. We don't make money.
Nothing bad there.
100. Weezy, baby. Could never do it without the little home. 156,000 miles on it. Low fuel. Only light that's on. Good. No check engine.
Interactive hip hop and R&B.
It's not a bad little car. 4-door. I'll show you the trunk. That's it.